Next one is the Hinsberg separation. So when you are using of Hinsberg reagent, that Hinsberg reagent is the benzene sulfonyl chloride. This is the benzene S double bond O Cl. This is the benzene sulfonyl chloride. This benzene sulfonyl chloride is the Hinsberg reagent. So when you are using of this Hinsberg reagent, we can be separate of primary and secondary and tertiary amines. So when you are using of this Hinsberg reagent, now it is the reagent to separate the primary and secondary and tertiary amines. Clear? Now first of all, look at here. I am take the first primary amine. This is a primary amine. Yes, when the primary amine react with the benzene sulfonyl chloride, for the possibility of reaction on the board, I'm writing that this like, yes, you understood. Right here in that nitrogen, two hydrogens are there. Here is one chlorine. Elimination of minus HCl. What is that? Elimination of minus HCl. So what will we get here? R N H, one hydrogen extra is there. Next sulf has double bond O benzene. This is name is the N-alkyl benzene sulfonamide. What is that? N-alkyl benzene sulfonamide. This N-alkyl benzene sulfonamide, when it is treated with the aqua NaOH, what is that? It is react with the base. There is possibility for the reaction with the NaOH due to here on the nitrogen, one hydrogen is there. So here from the OH, there lose of water molecule. Now here we get the salt. We get the salt. I'm writing here that one. Here, what is there here? R. N is getting negative charge. Here from the Na plus. Yes. Remaining what is there? As double bond O. As double bond O. This is the benzene. C6H5. So this is the salt. What is that? Salt. So this salt, it can be soluble in the soluble in water. In water. So when primary amine react with the benzene sulfonyl chloride and with the aqueous NaOH, that formation of salt, it is be dissolved in water. This is the primary separation, primary amine separation. Now when go for secondary amine, right? I am take the R, N, R, here is a H. I am take the same benzene sulfonyl chloride. This is a benzene sulfonyl chloride, right? Here from the chlorine, here from the hydrogen, minus HCl. So what will we get here? N comma N dialkyl C double bond O. I am write the C6H5. No problem, no? Yes, benzene sulfonyl chloride. N comma N benzene sulfonamide. Here on any hydrogens is there on the nitrogen? No, there is none available of hydrogens on the nitrogen. So it's not react with. So Here NaOH, when you adding of aqua NaOH, no reaction. No reaction. Due to non-available hydrogens on nitrogen. So this precipitate which precipitate, that formation of that precipitate soluble in water, sorry, not it is soluble in ether. Where it is soluble? Ether only, not in water. So this is the separation of secondary amine. Are you understand? Right. Next one, when you go for separation of tertiary amine, I'm take the tertiary amine. This is a R, N, R, R. Look at here, Cl as double bond O. Here is the benzene ring. Yes, this is the benzene sulfonyl chloride. That's the Hinsberg reagent. Now here any hydrogens on the nitrogen? No. There is no available of hydrogen with react with the benzene sulfonyl chloride. So no reaction. No reaction. Due to absence of hydrogens on nitrogen or at on nitrogen. So that's why we can be, when you are using this benzene sulfonyl chloride, it can be separate the primary, secondary, tertiary amines. When react with the benzene sulfonyl chloride and with the sodium hydroxide, that component is soluble in the water. If when it is reactive with the benzene sulfonyl chloride only, not with the sodium hydroxide, that component only soluble in the ether. If the amine, which is that amine not reactive with the benzene sulfonyl chloride, that is the tertiary amine. So from that, using of Hinsberg reagent, we can be separate of primary and secondary tertiary amines. Okay, understood?